Hi friends, this is 5 Master YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take photo by saying cheese in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, open camera in your phone and go to camera settings here and go to shutter and you have to turn on this button voice. Okay, now say cheese to take photos. Okay, whether it is front camera or back camera, just you can say cheese and you can take photo. Now listen, cheese. Yes, photo is taken. Cheese. I take this photo. Cheese. Cheese. For selfie also it works. Cheese. Cheese. So in this way you can easily take photos using voice, that is by saying cheese in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.